Your kitchen pantry holds more than just culinary delights. It's a hidden gem of beauty secrets. It's a treasure trove of natural beauty solutions, waiting to be discovered and utilized. For centuries, women have harnessed the power of nature to enhance their beauty, using simple, effective ingredients. Today, we're going back to basics, embracing the wisdom of the past. Discover how everyday ingredients like honey, avocado, and oatmeal can transform your beauty routine. We'll explore the world of DIY beauty, where you can create your own products at home. Forget expensive creams and complicated treatments that promise the world but deliver little. This is about embracing simplicity and effectiveness, using what nature provides. Get ready to unlock the hidden potential of your pantry staples, turning them into beauty essentials. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to gentle, natural alternatives that are kind to your skin. It's time to embrace a more sustainable and budget-friendly approach to beauty, one that benefits both you and the planet. Let's embark on this exciting journey of rediscovering natural beauty together, sharing tips and enjoying the process. Switching to natural beauty solutions offers a wealth of benefits. Firstly, it's incredibly cost-effective. You'll save money by using ingredients you already have, like honey, yogurt, and oatmeal. Secondly, you're choosing a more natural and gentle approach to your beauty routine, which can be kinder to your skin. This means fewer harsh chemicals and potential irritants, reducing the risk of skin issues. Furthermore, DIY beauty allows you to customize your routine to your specific needs and preferences. You control the ingredients and can tailor them to your skin and hair type, ensuring the best results. However, it's important to prioritize safety at all times. Always do a patch test before applying a new DIY concoction to your skin to avoid adverse reactions. This helps identify any potential allergic reactions early on. Start with small amounts and gradually incorporate new ingredients into your routine to monitor how your skin responds. Remember, natural doesn't always mean completely risk-free, so always stay informed and cautious. Let's delve into the remarkable benefits of 3 kitchen staples: honey, oatmeal, and yogurt. Raw honey is a natural humectant, drawing moisture from the air to your skin. It also boasts antibacterial properties, making it ideal for acne-prone skin. Oatmeal, finely ground, acts as a gentle exfoliant, effectively removing dead skin cells. Its soothing properties make it perfect for sensitive or irritated skin. Yogurt, rich in lactic acid, is a natural alpha-hydroxy acid, AHA. AHAs gently exfoliate, revealing brighter and smoother skin. These 3 ingredients, combined in various ways, can create powerful face masks and scrubs, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. Next, let's explore the wonders these natural ingredients can do for your hair, transforming it into a luscious, healthy mane. Coconut oil, rich in essential fatty acids, deeply nourishes and conditions the hair shaft, leaving your locks incredibly soft and shiny. It penetrates the hair cuticle, providing moisture from within. It can also help tame frizz, prevent breakage, and protect against damage from styling tools. Apple cider vinegar, when diluted with water, makes an excellent hair rinse that can clarify and cleanse your scalp. It helps restore the hair's natural pH balance, leaving it smooth, shiny, and more manageable. Additionally, it can help alleviate scalp issues like dandruff and itchiness, promoting a healthier scalp environment. Eggs, packed with protein and essential nutrients, are a powerhouse for strengthening hair strands and promoting growth. A simple egg mask can add shine, elasticity, and volume to your hair, making it look fuller and more vibrant. Embrace these natural alternatives for healthier, more manageable hair, and enjoy the benefits of nature's best ingredients.